Good afternoon, all students. Today we will discuss regarding the alternative fuels used in IC engine. In general, the rapid depletion of fossil fuels and ever increasing price of crude oil made the researchers to research or search for the alternative fuel or alternative source of the energy. The the scarcity of known petroleum reserves will make renewable energy resources more attractive. The most feasible way to meet this growing demand is by utilizing the alternative fuels. The enormous growth of automobiles made the diesel engine to play a vital role in transportation sector. The use of diesel in the transportation sector increasing day by day due to increase in the vehicle population. In addition to this, the price of the fossil fuel is increasing day by day due to the hike in a crude oil price. India is spending huge foreign exchange for the import of crude oil in order to meet the ever increasing demand of affecting the economic growth. India is spending around 20,000 crore rupees per year on the import of crude oil alone. The demand for crude oil is maybe rise by 5%, 5 crores barrels than the present consumption by 2010. That is, this was the observation till 2010. The share of hydrocarbons is presently estimated 44.9%. The import dependence of India oil in India, which is presently about 70%, is likely to increase further during the next 10 years. Today is 2020, so you can think about how the demand of crude oil is increased till this date. Now, therefore, the need for alternative fuels, why there is need, the alternative fuel which are renewable and eco-friendly reduce the dependency on fossil fuels, and they help to preserve the atmosphere by reducing the emission levels. The burning of fossil fuel create higher levels of CO2 and other gases in atmosphere, affecting the greenhouse effect. The scarcity of a conventional fuel, fossil fuel, growing emissions of a combustion causing pollutants, their increasing cost will make biomass sources more attractive. The epidemiological studies have concluded that the long-term exposure to diesel exhaust may cause lung cancer and other respiratory diseases. The diesel emission has been classified as a human carcinogen. Different kinds of fuels that have been considered as alternative fuels for the petroleum-based fuel are classified as solid fuel, liquid fuel, and gaseous fuel. The solid fuels are pulverized coal, slurry, charcoal, which are not used in IC engine due to their physical properties. Handling and storage problems for the liquid fuels are alcohols, ethanol, methanol, vegetable oils, and edible and non-edible oils. The gaseous fuels are LPG, CNG, H2, biomass, and producer gas. Liquid fuels are easy to handle, transport, and store, have a reasonable calorific value. They are preferred for IC engines. Now, the alternative liquid fuels. Let us see the alternative liquid fuels. There are few techniques by which alcohol fuels can partially or completely displace diesel fuel. Once it was believed that alcohol was suitable for SI engine fuels but not for CI engine due to its high octane number. In mid 1970, ethanol and methanol were considered as a prime alternative to diesel, and most promising techniques are explored for better engine performance, and namely power output, thermal efficiency, emissions, and operability. Alcohol as IC engine fuel. Many countries like Brazil, Mauritius, US, and few European countries are using ethanol blended fuel in automobiles. Ethanol is produced from sugar, molasses, wood, maize, beet, etc. Ethanol is processed from any feedstocks such as corn, wheat, sugarcane, topeka, and other grains. The grain is the first ground and cooked with water to convert the starch to sugar with the enzyme. The sugar is then fermented with the yeast to produce raw ethanol and a high protein material. The raw ethanol is distilled to get anhydrous ethanol. Methanol is produced from coal, natural gas, and farm waste, municipal waste, etc. The municipal wastes are first shredded and then passed under a magnet to remove the ferrous materials and then gasified with oxygen. The synthesis gas is cleaned by water scrubbing and other means to remove any particulates H2S and CO2. Further CO shift conversion for H2CO2 adjustment, methanol synthesis and methanol purification are accomplished. Alcohols are used as a blended fuel with petrol or flexible fuel vehicle operation. Since the alcohol structure has O2 of its own, like ethanol C2H5OH and methanol CH3OH are called as oxygenated fuels. They are adaptable with the little modification by selecting suitable materials to handle them. However, the emission reduction were considerable than fossil fuel. Various methods by which alcohol may be converted as a IC engine fuel as given below. Alcohol diesel fuel solution, alcohol diesel fuel emulsions, alcohol fumigation, dual injection, spark ignition of alcohols, ignition improving additives. Now the ignition improvers and additives how should be added to that. The main problem associated with all the alternative fuel is that they have high octane ratings and hence require high compression ratio for the diesel engine operation. Alternatively, ignition promoters can be added to the fuel to broaden the diesel engine operating range. The same fuel additives used in the gaseous fuels to increase the octane rating can also be used in a gasoline or any of the alternative fuels to promote ignition in the diesel engines. There are number of additives that have been added to the gaseous fuels, and in particular the use of nitrate compounds have been whispered. While many different organic nitrates have been evaluated over the years, only 2-ethyl hexyl nitrate is currently commercially available has been added to the diesel fuels over 30 years. Now this is the table that shows the properties of diesel and various alternative fuels, that is how much of methane, methanol, ethanol, CNG are added to that fuel. Now edible oil is another alternative fuel used in IC engine. In 1911 itself, Rudolf Diesel demonstrated his engine with the peanut oil and said the diesel engine can be fed with the vegetable oils and will help considerably in the development of agriculture of a country which use it. He has also said that the use of vegetable oils for the engine fuels would become significant in long run as demand for petroleum products go up. The countries like Europe, South America, East Asia started using vegetable oil as a fuel in diesel engines. If the engine is started with a diesel, run with a vegetable oil and stopped with a diesel, the fuel injection system of engine will function for a long time. However, the engine components are deposited with several carbon built up. Initially, it was believed that the vegetable oils could be used directly with minimum processing and preparation. Out of all the alternative fuels, vegetable oil offers an advantage because of its comparable fuel properties with the diesel and can be substituted between 20% to 100% depending upon its processing. Various vegetable oils like sunflower oil, safflower oil, soybean oil, rice bran oil, palm oil, peanut oil or cottonseed oil, etc. have been tested in the diesel engine. Research in this direction with renewable oil yielded encouraging results are there. Vegetable oil fuel has gained importance due to following merits. It has a high octane number, it is renewable, it is carbon natural, it can be abundant